This 2018 CrossRoads Volante VL3751BH high profile is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used CrossRoads is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 11, Colorado Detector, stove-top burner, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, awning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bunk, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 CrossRoads Volante VL3751BH high profile is 12,920 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.